Today, 29th of May, International Day of UN Peacekeepers. I, Sadrul Ahmed Khan, express our firm conviction to world peace, security and justice through upholding the values and principles of United Nations. Inspired by the peace philosophy that peace is essential for the survival of mankind and guided by his foreign policy, friendship to all, manners to none, Bangladesh has been contributing relentlessly in world peace. In 1973, Bangladesh sent medical contingent to Syria during Arab-Israel war. Bangladesh participated actively in United Nations operation from 1988. And today, Bangladesh is the largest troop contributing country in the United Nations. I am also a proud peacekeeper. I was deployed in United Nations operation in Ivory Coast in the year 2006. We understand the challenges faced by the peacekeepers and we wish them all the success in shaping a peaceful and tolerant world, leaving no one behind.